Hello everybody, this is Divya Harikrishnan, founder and CEO of Gurusthal. I am a maths teacher and accountancy teacher too. When I was handling classes for CBSE 10th, the chapter called statistics, you all know that there is a concept called mode. So when I was teaching mode, the student had some very peculiar doubts which I want to clarify in this video. Okay, so this is the example sum which we have taken, and we all know that the formula for mode is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 times of F1 minus F0 minus F2 times H. Okay, so if a sum, let's take, okay, in the same sum, if the basically F1 is nothing but the highest frequency is what we all know. L stands for lower limit, and height is nothing but the height of the class interval. So for any normal sum, usually the highest frequency comes in the middle. So when I take in this case, this becomes my highest frequency becomes my F1, 14 becomes my F0, and 10 becomes my F2. Okay, so it is very easy to solve. When the highest frequency falls in the middle, you take up the F1 and you select that particular class interval, and your lower limit becomes 60 and your height becomes 10. That is the gap between 70 to 60 is 10, so you can easily calculate. That is not an issue. But when in a case, if the highest frequency comes in the first or in the last, how are we going to do the sum is what the question is about. So when the frequency comes first, obviously this becomes my F1. We know because the highest frequency is F1, and F2 becomes 9. My class interval is 40 because this is the highest frequency is falling in this class interval. So this becomes my lower limit and this becomes my upper limit, and my height is 10. Okay. So what is my F0? That is the question. So F0 is nothing but we have to take it as 0. Okay. So now when I apply in the formula, 40 plus 18 minus 0 by 2 times of 18 minus F0 value is 0 and F2 value is 9 times height is 10. That is the gap between 40 to 50. So when I solve further, 50 plus 18 minus 0 is 18, 2 times of 18 is 36, 36 minus 9 becomes 27 times 10. So when I cancel this in 3 table, this becomes 6 and this becomes 9, which is nothing but 40 plus 6 times 10 becomes 60 by 9, okay, which is nothing but 40 plus 6.66. If you divide, you can check it. If you want to divide and see, just see 9 5s are 9 6 are 54, then again a remainder is a 6, put a decimal point, take up a 0, again 9 6 are 54, then again the balance is 6, it keeps on going 6.66. My mode is 46.66. This is how when the highest frequency comes first. Okay, so now let's see, let me interchange the value. What if my highest frequency comes at the end? Let me take it 2 here and 18 here. So in this case, my highest frequency is 18 and this becomes my F1. This 3 becomes my F0 and my class interval is 90. This becomes my lower limit. This 90 to 100 is my class interval. Upper limit, the height is always 10. The gap between 90 to 100. So let me implement in the formula when the highest frequency is in the last. So again the L was earlier 40, now it becomes 90 plus F1 remains same because here also 18 only, minus F0 is here 3. In the earlier case it was 0, but here it is 3. Then 2 times of 18 minus 3 minus, and what is my F2 now? Nothing. F2 is 0 here too. When F0 was 0 in previous case, here also F2 is becoming 0 and my class interval is 10 again. So when I further solve it, 18 minus 3 is 15, 2 times of 18 is 36, 36 minus 3 is 33, into 10. When I cancel this in 3 table, 3 5s are 15 and 3 11s are, which implies 90 plus 5 times of 10 is 50 divided by 11. So when I divide and see 50 and 11, so 11 4s are 44, the remainder is 6, put a decimal point, take up a 0, 11 5s are 55, and then again the remainder becomes 5, and then take up a 0, again 11 4s are 44, it keeps going. That means 90 plus 4.54 gives me 94.54. So this is my mode in both the cases when the highest frequency comes on the first or in the last. Hope this video helps you. Thank you.